Hi everyone, so today we will be making a carousel with help of React and Bootstrap. So for the people who are using Bootstrap for the first time, there is a documentation for React Bootstrap. There you can go and start with the installation of the React Bootstrap package. You can use this command over here, and after that you will also need to import the CSS for that, which you can import it in your index.js or app.js file. As you can see, I have already imported CSS in my app.js. Also, I have installed the Bootstrap package here. So to make a carousel, let's head over to our React app. As you can see here, I just have a navigation bar. So this is a navigation bar that I made in the previous tutorial. So you can head over there and see if you are new to it. After that, we will just want a carousel. So for that, I'll head over to Bootstrap documentation, and in there under components, I'll find carousels. So you can see they have got few examples. Like this is the basic one. They have got controlled and also uncontrolled and few other examples. So we will just use the basic one. So now I'll go to my Visual Studio, and inside the source folder, I'll make a carousel page.js component. So I'll do rfca, and now we have a component. In there I'll import this from React Bootstrap, and then I'll just copy over this piece of code and paste it under the div tag. Yeah, so now that we have a carousel page, let's add this component to our app.js. In here, just add carousel page. I'll also need to import it. So now let's test it. As you can see, we are not able to see the carousel, and that is because in our carousel page, if you go onto the source, you will not see the images because we don't have these images, whichever source like holders they have given. So for that, what I did was I created an images folder, and I have certain images here. You can choose your own images. I'll just use them for example. So I'll just import those images. I'll import image 1 from, I've got that images folder. So image1.jpg, and then let's copy this line, paste it twice for 3 images in our carousel. You can obviously add more, and in here Control D and 3. After that, we will be changing these holders to image 1, 2, and 3. So now that we have saved it, we can see our carousel is coming. We have got next and previous icons also in place, and this is already responsive. So if I do big screen, as you can see, so our image is kind of overflowing. So we will add some height to it so we can see it all in one page. You can add your own CSS, and there I can see these bar indicators. So I'll just show you some basic stylings so you can make your own carousel CSS stylings. So let's go over to Visual Studio Code, and in here let's first add some height to our image. For that I'm using inline styles here. So I'll add a 90 viewport. Control C. Okay, this won't work as you need to put these in strings. Copy this. Do this for other images. You can do it in CSS file too. So save it, and you can see. So it has come up to like this. After that you can keep your page content. So this is just to show you that they are all in the same height. Now let's change this indicators. So I don't exactly know the Bootstrap documentation or what they have given the class name. So what I'll do inspect element, and in my developer tools I'll just go over to this icon, and when I hover I can see that this is called as carousel indicators. I'll click on there, and then I want to know what these pieces are called. So I'll again of course inspect, and there we go. There I am getting the name. So I'll copy this name and then go over to VS, and in here first I'll be making a CSS file. So let's make that page.css, and now we'll paste that. So this is the class name. We'll be adding additional styles. So I want something of circular. So I'll add a border radius of 100%. I'll add a width of 10 pixel, a height of 10 pixel. Now I'll save this. I'll go over to our page. Okay, so it is not working. That is because I haven't imported it yet. So I'll import our CSS page. Don't forget to import your CSS page. I'll save it. And as you can see, we can see three little dots over here. Also, you can play around as much as you like and make use of your styling. So to make this look a tad bit better, I am thinking to give a navigation bar some opacity. So I'll go to our navigation bar, I'll add some styling like opacity of 0.6. So I'm doing this basically to get a more transparent navigation bar so that this image would show up our carousel image. I'll save this, and there we go. So this is just a basic React Bootstrap carousel. You can have your own styling, CSS. You can add play around this and make some cool carousels. So this is just a basic tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.